So this is what the path's turned into. Just a river over these rocks. So I'm hoping there is an actual path and that it doesn't take too long to get over these. So this is the way I'm going up the side of this mountain. The track's very steep and narrow, but I think I'm just going to camp here tonight because I don't want to get caught halfway up the mountain and have nowhere to camp when it gets dark. So I'm just going to take an early day. It's about 3:30 right now. Set up camp, cook some dinner, and take in the beautiful view. Good morning, so it's 9 o'clock and I'm camped at 3,500 meters. There was absolutely no snow yesterday when I set up the tent. I couldn't see any in any direction, and now I've been snowed in again on both sides. I just took a look outside and it's just, you can't even see 10 meters in front of you. So considering I'm gonna have to walk on some very narrow and slippery paths, I think I might wait until the sun comes out so I can at least see what I'm doing. Otherwise I might have to stay here for the day and hope that the weather improves tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. I'm just making coffee right now with some of the snow that I've melted, so at least I didn't have to go searching for water. But yeah, it's very cold. So the snow is starting to slow down a bit. So it's finally stopped snowing. That's where I'm headed. I can't really see a trail, but I'm hoping by the time I pack up, it's the first time I've been out of the tent today. By the time I pack up, some of the snow would have melted and the trail will be a bit clearer. It probably doesn't look that steep, but this has just been ridiculous trying to get up here with the bike. I'm only able to get 2 to 3 meters at a time and I'm having to stop. I have not seen a trail for a while. I don't know how I'm going to get over this top bit, but it seems like I'm only not too far away from the top. This is just madness. Far out, this is steep. And that's where I'm going up. Oh, man. Hope I can make it. I'm almost at the top now. I've just been walking backwards and lifting the bike and stopping every 2 lifts. I'm almost at the top. I think it'll probably take another 20 or 30 minutes, but I've just come so far. I just want to get up there before it starts snowing too hard. Oh, it's snowing hard. So, although I didn't go the way I was thinking and came over that mountain, here's the Chinese border, so I actually got really close. I just skipped the checkpoint, so hopefully no one comes and checks up on me. So I'm just coming up to an abandoned village, and it's my understanding that this is the old trade route with China, and because they're not using this anymore as their main trade route, there's a lot of abandoned villages, and this seems to be one of them. Couple dogs here. No people. Seems like it's been abandoned for quite a while, but the windows are still intact. There's a heap of dogs, couple cows. Cool. Hopefully these dogs don't attack me. Looks like there's like an old school bunker here. How cool is that? Oh,
there's a mount for a sniper or something. There's another one there. How cool.
So this is the other side of the bunker. Got some doors to get the guns out. Oh, that's really cool. This is about the third one I've seen. So I've just been riding my bike and I saw some concrete, so I thought I'd come and check it out. It turns out it's these old school Soviet bunkers and trenches. So I'm just walking along the trench now. You can see it's obviously filled in a bit. And then they lead down to these little bunkers every 5 to 10 meters. So, I mean, that's so cool. I randomly stumbled across this. And the trenches just go for probably more than a kilometre around. And you can see an abandoned building down there, which I'm sure had something to do with it as well. Okay.
Video?
Ah, video, yeah.
Video сделай.
Hello.
Welcome Australia.
Thank you, thank you. So, as it's snowing here, you can see the car going in the background. Just 5 local guys came in their car, the first people I've seen actually in about 4 days. They stopped, they give me 4 shots of rum, some beer, some bread, and yeah, that was crazy. They loved it. It's snowing, but spirits are up now that I've had a bit of booze, and looking forward to riding in this snow. So it seems like I'm coming into some old military base here. I don't know if you can see all the bunkers, the watchtower. I'm going to try and get up there, and just all these abandoned buildings, machinery. So we'll go up and have a look. So as it turns out, it was an actual military base, and I got stopped as I was trying to go into those bunkers in the watchtower, and then they wouldn't let me through. They had me sitting in the snow for about 45 minutes because I didn't have my water permit printed, but all good now. I'm through there. I didn't get to explore the bunkers as I was hoping, but happy to be going even though it's snowing.